Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday inaugurated India's first nature-themed airport terminal in Guwahati. Located at Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, a key northeast air gateway. The new airport terminal aims to boost connectivity, tourism, trade, and Assam's role in regional economic growth. The new airport terminal spans nearly 140,000 square meters, accommodating rising passenger demand. Terminal 2 is designed for 13.1 million passengers annually, nearly double its current capacity. Upgrades were made to runway, taxiways, aprons, and airfield systems for increased movement. It is the first airport terminal in India with a nature-inspired architectural concept. The themes centered around bamboo orchids, reflecting Assam's biodiversity and heritage. Approximately 140 metric tons of northeast bamboo were used in interiors and structures. Kaziranga-inspired green landscapes showcase Assam's forests and wildlife. Design features jhapi motifs and one-horned rhino symbol. 57 orchid-shaped columns resemble Assam's state flower, the kopo phool. The sky forest offers a forest-like arrival, housing 100,000 plants across 100 local species. The DigiYatra-enabled e-gates provide contactless passenger processing for efficiency. The full-body scanners and automated systems expedite security checks without contact. Automated baggage handling and self-drop reduce wait time and congestion. It is the first airport in India to provide check-in services at parking, eliminating baggage carry-in. Adani One app offers real-time updates on flights, baggage, Wi-Fi, and food services. AI, ML, and Internet of Things and computer vision support real-time airport monitoring and predictions. The integrated cargo facilities cater to pharmaceuticals, perishables, e-commerce, and live animals. Investment of 1,000 crore for MRO facilities enhances Northeast aviation engineering. The total development of Guwahati Airport represents an investment of around 5,000 crore rupees. The project is positioned as a key gateway to Northeast India and Southeast Asia. The expansion of cargo, tourism, and MRO services is expected to drive regional growth.